town and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out, that's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy, I'm driving to live through one, but it all comes down to.
Good morning, everyone. So today is gonna be a little day in my life vlog. We got some things we gotta do today. I have to sort my clothes because I want to do some stuff on Depop, sell some clothes on Depop. Later on, we're gonna go to Santa Barbara, probably walk around there a little bit, and after that I have a haircut appointment around 4 o'clock. I'm finally gonna get my hair cut again because it's time, and then we're just gonna come back and relax. So that's pretty much how this day is gonna go. I hope you guys are ready to join me for a fun day and see this hair transformation. So let's go ahead and get started.
You can find me at my best when I'm naked, when I'm lying by the pool getting faded. See, I used to give a fuck, now I'm jaded. I'm allergic to the bullshit, allergic to the bullshit. Orange soda, Depop show rock, good vibes, go back my Gucci over. Sex on sofa, that's my yoga. Kill my last breath, no regrets, 'cause I do it like it's ruled. Roll it, burn it, lose it. Keep that black and red, keep it back, I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. Do it like it's ruled. Roll it, burn it, lose it.
Alright, so lunch was good. We just had a couple hot dogs. I'm gonna go ahead, look through all my clothes. I already looked at some of them and figured out which ones I wanted to sell, but I have a lot more I need to go through. And then if you guys want, you can follow me on Depop and yeah, buy some clothes. I'll ship it out to you and write a little note. So it's 12:10 and my appointment is at 4. So we still got a lot of time, but I do want to go to Santa Barbara if the weather isn't as bad. We shall see.
Maybe you could keep me going, 'cause you've been everywhere. Let me take up all the love you're showing. I need it more than air. And you know that I've been suffocating. You could be the one to help.
Alright, so we got those pants out of the way. On to grab some more. So I honestly have a lot of random stuff in here that I don't even wear, and it just takes up a lot of space, so we're gonna try and sell it. Like, they're still good clothes, it's just I don't wear them as much, and then I get more clothes and buy more clothes, and then I just don't even touch them. So Depop it is, selling all my clothes it is. And the bikinis, man. I'll sell bikinis again probably in spring, but I just got a little too many. Like these dresses, man, never wore it out once. I like it, it's cute, just don't got a place to wear it.
But my issues are nauseating. I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna be free from the freak. Feel love for the first time. I just wanna love something about me. See something to open my eyes.
We are now here in Santa Barbara. I finished doing most of my Depop stuff. Instead of Depop though, I'm gonna do Poshmark because that's just a lot better. But waiting for my appointment. We still got 30 more minutes. Nick's there. It looks nice now. Earlier it was super cloudy. We got outfit check. He's matching me. Matching boots.
Swag. And I'm going around.
Just like a straight line.
Ooh.
Then after, we're gonna get it in a V shape. And she gonna be looking good with some layers. So, you know,
Ooh, we like layers.
Just finished my hair. Even though I got her hair cut, it looks a little bit shorter, but it looks good. We'll get a look at the back of it later on, but this is what it looks like in the front. We just stopped by at this taco place. We got the tacos.
Wow.
What kind of tacos we got? Ooh.
Carne asada.
It looked good. And we got the Mexican Coke.
In a bottle.
So apparently this taco spot here in Santa Barbara has to be the spot, right?
I mean, people been going in and out.
Because we just went in and there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 people waiting.
Okay. They stuffed some boys too.
She's good. We like it. So after this, we're gonna go to Home Goods and then go home. All right, we go eat. They got aprons, and your girl wants an apron.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down.
Grinders.
I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground.
We're here at Starbucks. But we also got holiday drinks, so that's okay. And we got baby coffee.
Keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites.
Okay, so I'm back home, chilling, ready for bed. I'm in my comfy clothes. This was a fun day. I feel like I'll have a better picture of my hair or whatever in another vlog or on Instagram. So, thank you for joining me on this daily journey vlog. Cheers. And I'll see you in the next one.
Clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name.